Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel Melodic Vibe. Today I'm going to do the love reading for you, and this is going to be dated from 28th of July till 31st. Okay, so in this reading we are going to see how your person is feeling towards you, how you are feeling towards your person, and what will be the overall outcome till the end of the month of July. Okay, so the first way in which your person is looking at you is like the Seven of Pentacles. The other way, Three of Cups, and the other way, Five of Cups. Okay, I'm so sorry. So the first way in which your person is looking at you is the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is the energy of looking forward, being hopeful, but also it is the energy of not being fulfilled currently. At the current moment you are not completely fulfilled, Scorpio. Okay, so your person is looking at you like that. I'm not saying that that might be the truth, but however, when your person looks at you, he or she feels like you have already put in the effort, and it could be over anything. You have done so much of hard work in life, and you try to please everyone, you try to be available for everyone, and you try to do good to everybody, but he or she feels like, your person feels like, you are not totally satisfied at the moment. So in this sense we can say that your person is very very understanding when it comes to you. Your feelings and emotions are being well understood by someone, Scorpio. Okay, they can see, they watch you from afar, and they can see how from outside you are quite well abundant. Seven of Pentacles are still there, and Seven of Pentacles are a lot of pentacles, right? You had sown the seed, and you have grown the pentacles as well, and there are seven of them. So when people look from outside, you feel very very abundant, prosperous, well to do, good in health, everything, happy. Okay, but Seven of Pentacles is the energy of something that is still awaited for, and your person is able to see that in you, that despite having everything in life, there's something that you are waiting for, something is being looked forward to. And because this is a love reading, I must say that that has to be the love relation, the emotional fulfillment that is missing in your life, and that is what you are still awaiting despite having grown Seven of the Pentacles. Okay, so you feel like more is yet to come, and your person is totally able to understand that. Okay, so you have very understanding person around you, Scorpio. All right, so the other way in which your person is looking at you is like the Three of Cups. Three of Cups is the energy of celebration, merriment. And if this is the case, then Scorpio, you like partying, you have a lot of friends, and you have the weekend routine. Okay, probably you visit nightclubs, or you are involved in some club, where you meet a lot of friends. So your social circle is quite large, and your person feels like you are totally involved in your social life so much that somewhere they feel like you are not paying that much attention to them. You're doing yourself, you're doing you, so sorry. Okay, so you're happy in your own world is how your person is feeling. Okay, why I'm saying that for this card of Three of Cups is because it is followed by the energy of Four of Cups, and this is how your person looks at you, or this is how your person feel towards you. Okay, your person feels like you're busy in your own world, and they feel like they doubt that there are any cups. However, they haven't given up the hope, because behind this person there are two cups, right? Behind this person there are two cups, and this person of yours, your love interest, thinks that some of the cups are already spilled. There are three cups that are spilled over there. Okay, so they, why they feel so is because they look at you, and they find you quite busy in your own world, and you're celebrating your life. Your life is a celebration. Okay, and for them that is a matter of sadness, because you are not paying attention to them. However, they haven't yet lost hope, because somewhere, intuitively they feel like probably you also like them, and probably you are waiting for the right time. They haven't given up totally, because two of cups that are there behind that person, for me, for some reason, it feels like the intuitive feeling that your person is having regarding, your availability, of sentiment, availability of your sentiment towards them. Okay, they are hopeful to some extent. So how you are feeling towards this person? Oh my god, the Empress. Scorpio, you are looking at this person like the Empress, but do they even know that? The other one, Judgment. Okay, you are waiting for the right time. Wow, and the Tower. Okay, you are also intimidated by this person. Okay, Scorpio, let's talk about this. Okay, so the first card that had come out in how you look at your person is the Empress. So this person is the absolute queen whom you want. Okay, there's nobody that compares to the Empress. They are like the main lady, main person. Okay, it can be main man, main male as well, but Empress is somebody who is above the rest. All right, they know their self-worth. She is the queen because she knows her self value. She knows, she has a lot of self-respect, and she has herself put in she herself has put herself in the pedestal. So sorry, I don't know why I can't speak today. Okay, so an Empress is somebody who is already on the pedestal, and because she has so much of self-worth, she is able to radiate, and that causes only the most special energies be attracted towards her, because others even dare not. But definitely you are also a very special person, Scorpio. That is why you are attracted to the Empress. You are able to see the value, and you have that much of confidence to approach an Empress like she is. Okay, so you absolutely have a lot of respect. Empress is respected by all, and you have a lot of respect for your person. You have put your person on the pedestal. You do want to move forward, because the Judgment card is here. You want to move forward, but you are awaiting the right time. You want it to be a very, very special event. All right, you do not want it to just pass away, this moment of connection that you are planning to have with your person. You want it to be very, very special, not only in the spiritual level, at the level of divinity, but even from the social, emotional, from every level. You want it to be on the right time and at the right place. Okay, that is why you are awaiting that special call of universe to start anything new with this queen. All right, and the other way in which you are looking at your person is, because I wouldn't say though, because you have put your person so high on a pedestal that you are waiting for the very, very special occasion to have any kind of start, new beginning with her. You are also fearful. When you respect somebody very, very much, you fear to approach that person, and that is how you are also feeling intimidated. Somewhere, you feel like, what if I go and propose to her and she rejects, and then this tower moment happens to me? Okay, so some level of fear is definitely there in you. So let us see what is there in the outcome. Okay, the World card, fulfillment. In the outcome, Six of Swords, and in the outcome, Nine of Wands. Okay, let us talk about it. Okay, so for some time, I feel like, Scorpio, you are going to, because you are waiting for the right time, these are in alignment. Okay, because you are awaiting the divine timing for starting any kind of relationship with this very, very special queen. Because you are waiting for the divine timing, you will for some time walk away, and you will recuperate. You'll think, you'll analyze the situation, you'll make your estimation. Okay, it's only because you are waiting for the right time. For that matter, you will walk away for some time from this person, and that time apart is going to bring a sorrowful moment for both of you. This is both of you. both of you feel a very very good connection with each other, okay, deep connection. And because you are waiting for the right time, you will not approach this person, and you will also not allow this queen to just come and be available there for you. You'll keep on pushing this person. Why? Because you are waiting for the right time. For that matter, you are walking away, and you are very very powerful, Scorpio, in that sense, because you are able to walk away from somebody whom you like so much, whom you love, whom with whom you feel such divine connection, that you are waiting for the divine timing. For that matter, you are able to walk away. That is going to cause hurt and burden to some extent to both of you for some time, but ultimately you both are going to be completely fulfilled, which is shown by this world card. But that time will come when you will return, when that divine timing will finally arrive, and that a perfect union will happen, which will fulfill both of you spiritually, emotionally, socially, in every way. Okay, this is a beautiful reading, Scorpio. Congratulations. Okay, no matter what is happening right now, your person feels like you are not paying attention to them, and you feel like our moment might happen. And because you are awaiting the perfect timing, you are having to walk away from your person, but ultimately you are going to return. You both are going to return to each other, and you are going to be fulfilled with the very very divine and spiritual kind of connection. Okay, it's a very very powerful and positive reading, Scorpio. I'm very very happy for you. Congratulations. If you like this video, if you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And till next time, love you. Bye bye.